If you have been hearing about GoHighLevel, you probably know it's packed with tools. But the real question is, what feature actually move the needle for your business and help you to bring more sales? Today we are going to break it down the top 5 feature inside GoHighLevel that can truly boost your sales and make your business run smoother. Welcome back to Easy Access Tech, the channel where we simplify technology for your business and boost your productivity. If you are new here, don't forget to subscribe and check the link in the description below for free trials and the special deals on GoHighLevel. If you use the GoHighLevel free trial, you can get the 14 days free trial, but after using the link in the description, you can get the 30 days extended free trial. So check that out in the description. Alright, now let's jump into the first feature, which is the funnel builder. If you have ever used tools like ClickFunnels, you will feel right at home here. You can drag and drop the pages, connect them into a flow, and design sales funnel that capture lead and push them toward buying. The great thing is you don't need separate tools. Your funnels, landing pages, and forms are all in one place, and that saves you money and the headache. Next is CRM and the pipeline management. Think of this as your sales command center. Every lead, every customer, every opportunity is tracked here. So instead of juggling separate or trying to remember who you need to follow up, GoHighLevel lays it all out visually so you can see exactly where people are in your sales process. That alone can stop so many leads from slipping through the cracks. The third feature is marketing automation. This is where GoHighLevel really shines. You can set up workflow that send email, trigger SMS message, remind you to call someone, or even follow up after a purchase, all automatically. The result? You are constantly nurturing your lead without spending hours to doing manual follow-up, and that means more chances to close more sales. Number 4 is two-way communication. Inside GoHighLevel, you can talk to your lead through email, SMS, even Facebook Messenger, all from one inbox. That means no switching between platforms, no losing track of conversation. When a customer feels heard quickly, they are much more likely to trust you and eventually buy from you. And finally, the fifth feature that boosts sale is reputation management. GoHighLevel lets you request and collect reviews from your customer, and those reviews can automatically show up on Google and other places. Since positive reviews are one of the biggest driver of trust online, this single feature can directly boost how many people choose your business over a competitor. Now, of course, there are tons of other features packed on GoHighLevel, but these 5 are the ones that consistently help entrepreneurs and agency to increase sale. So funnel bring people in, CRM keeps them organized, automation build the relationship, and two-way messaging keep the communication tight, and reputation management closes the loop with the social proof. So if you have been thinking about trying GoHighLevel, check the link for the extended link. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like this video and subscribe this channel. I will see you in the next video.